Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and few others. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after making a high of 4172, 4173, gold is right now trading around 4148, 4149. This is the current market price. Yesterday, I did not upload any video, and the reason was there was nothing to speak about gold because for the last few days, we have seen gold that, okay, overall the trend of the market may be bullish, but for retail traders like us, okay, things are not going well. Probably you have also observed that tools are not working properly, the indicators are also not working properly. In fact, the price action is also giving us a tough time. There was a time when our accuracy almost hit 90%, okay, just few weeks ago, and right now we are struggling with 50 to 60% accuracy. And this is just a part of the game, we need to admit it. So that was the main reason why I just mentioned that I will be analyzing the chart of gold and few others, because I strongly believe that yes, okay, we should focus only on one or two assets so that we can trade better. But when our asset is not giving good opportunities, okay, then obviously we should be looking for opportunities outside gold, because here, okay, we are trading not to be loyal towards goal only. Okay, we are here for making money, so you should be loyal towards money, not towards a particular asset like gold. So if gold remains like this, then obviously it will be better for us to look for opportunities outside gold. Okay, because overall the trend of the market may be bullish, okay, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but as a day trader, obviously, okay, you must be also finding it difficult to trade right now. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold hovers near 2-week high. Gold prices dipped to around 4150 per ounce on Thursday, but remained near a 2-week high as investors continue to anticipate a Federal Reserve rate cut next month. So overall, market is continuing the overall upside because market is expecting rate cut. Usually, whenever a rate cut happens, gold shows upside. Okay. Gold near 2-week high. Okay, spot gold edges higher on Fed rate cut hope. So this is the overall market sentiment. So if you are a swing trader, position trader, if you have been holding gold, then you can hold your buy position because overall the market sentiment is bullish. But if you are a day trader like me, then obviously you need to stick to the levels. But before we proceed with the levels of gold, okay, let's look at the other opportunities like Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, and others. Okay, at first, let's look at the chart of dollar index. So dollar index is under pressure right now. Okay, dollar index is under pressure. You can see we have a good amount of selling pressure going on right now. Okay, and the reason is that same. Okay. Dollar extends fall on Fed rate cut bets. Dollar index fell below 99.5 on Thursday, sliding for the fourth straight session to its lowest level in almost 2 weeks, presumed by growing expectations of further Federal Reserve rate cut. So whenever rate cut happens, okay, it is bad for dollar, and we can see pressure here. You can see if dollar index breaks 99 level, if it breaks this particular low, then obviously, okay, we do not have any major support here and we may see further fall. If it happens, then we will see upside on the chart of not gold. Okay, that relation doesn't exist anymore, but yes, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and others. So this is going to be a very crucial level for the US dollar index, and if it falls crazily, then 98.60, okay, is the support level. Okay, and right now we can see a gap down. So during the day, okay, market may try to fill the gap here, but I am not expecting a trend reversal unless a big news comes out. Okay, so just keep your eyes around this 99 level. If it breaks, then things are going to be crazy. Okay, this is the chart of Euro USD in front of us. As dollar index is under pressure, so we can see Euro USD going towards the upside. So if you have any ongoing buy here, you can hold your buy position as long as dollar index is under pressure. Okay, this is a chart, okay, where you can make good money if you stay on it. For example, on dollar, also not on gold. On gold, okay, we need to stick to the levels. But here, if you ride the trend of the market, then obviously you'll be making big money because here the pips are not very big here. So here we can see on the chart of Euro USD, price action is doing a fine job. So because market took support around the previous resistance around 1552. So the 1552, 1550 support is still very much valid, and we can consider it to be as a very strong support. During the day, if anything crazy happens, if market crashes, 1552, 1550, okay, is going to be the best support. But the problem is it is far away from the current market price. So we can look for some immediate support around 1575. Because around 1575 we have some minor support here, and we can expect the market to bounce. Okay, if you're wondering why are we considering, if you see that, do we have any strong major support here? No. Okay, if we draw Fibo, then around 1550 we also have the Fibo 50% retracement level. Okay, but if 1575 doesn't work, if it fails, you can also consider, okay, around 1565. So in simple words, this is a minor support, this is a major support, and in a market condition like this, buying at dip is the best trading strategy. So let's see if market comes down for retracement or market goes up. If market doesn't come down for retracement, then obviously we can look for buy at breakout. Here we can see this is the high made by the market. You can look for a buy at breakout above 1613. Just make sure that dollar index is below 99 level, because as we have seen, if dollar index breaks 99, okay, we can see further pressure. So if dollar index breaks 99, we can expect a good breakout above 1613. But buying at retracement is always safer in comparison to buying at breakout. Now let's look at the chart of GBP JPY. So this is the hourly chart of GBP JPY in front of us. So on the chart of GBP JPY, my dear friends, okay, we can see the market is continuing the overall upside. Here also, okay, if you want to make some good money, you need to follow the trend of the market. You need to write the trend here. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, again, it will be better for you to buy at dip or buy at retracement. So from price action perspective, okay, we have the support around 205.90. Okay, so we can also expect some support 206 also, but precisely around 205.90 we have the support, and the reason is the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, so if market comes down during the day, observe the market around this area, especially during the European session. If it takes support, then we can look for a buy position. But on the other hand, okay, if you see that market is coming down with great selling pressure, big red candle, then the second best support will be around 205.25. Okay, another support here. So these are the two levels, okay, where we can look for a buy at GBPJPY if it comes down for retracement. But GBPJPY, as we can clearly see, it is maintaining an overall upside. So retracements are always safer. But here as a day trader, you can also look for buy at breakout above 207.20, the red line at the top. Means if market breaks it like this, you can buy at breakout. But always keep in mind, okay, market doesn't go up like this always. There will be, okay, there will be retracements. So after 40-50 pips, you can exit. But if you are already holding GBPJPY, okay, you can hold your buy position. Now let's look at USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. Overall upside. Okay, you can see market is maintaining the bull run here. So market is right now trying to take support around 155.70. So during the day, if market breaks the support, dollar index is under pressure. We should not forget it. Okay. And if we look at the market structure is also not very positive at this moment. Market is forming lower highs here. So if market breaks 155.70, do not be surprised. The next best support will be around 155.00. I am not suggesting any sell position below 155.70 here, because the overall trend of the market is bullish. But in case dollar crashes below 99, level, and if you see that there is a good amount of selling pressure, then as a day trader only, you can look for a sell below 155.7. Otherwise, okay, it will be better for us to look for a support around 155. The reason is simple. The previous resistance will be working as support. If we see market taking support around 155, we can look for a buy position. And if market tries to recover, then the blue line you see here, okay, around the blue line, which is 156.65, observe the market. I think as a day trader we will be able to score 30 to 40 pips here. Okay, if market reverses from here, we can look for a sell position. Okay, and in case you see the market suddenly market has gained some momentum, okay, market has formed a big green candle here, then obviously you need to use your common sense and leave it. Okay, now let's get back to gold. So but my dear friends, okay, you can see that, okay, I am doing my analysis on the trading view. Yes, trading view, but it's from the Vantage. So if you are also using trading view but you want to place your orders on trading view, then you can use the Pro Trader platform from the Vantage. You can see they have the inbuilt, okay, buy and sell buttons here. You can manage your lot size from here. Means you don't need to analyze your trades at one place and or execute your orders on the other place. Okay, you can do everything on the single platform. So Vantage has provided a solution, and you guys have heard me talking about Vantage a lot of times. It's a multi-regulator broker, the best solution for you if you are trading from India right now, because your hard-earned money also deserves safety. So if you want to, okay, use the Pro Trader platform of Vantage and directly trade from TradingView, okay, you can use the link in the description and open your account today. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So on the chart of gold, okay, on the chart of gold, to be honest, okay, I'm not very confident for the last 2 3 days because we have faced multiple stop loss hits also. Okay, because things are not going well. So be careful. Okay, do not go for big lot sizes. So right now, the next support on the chart of gold is around 4136. Okay, around 4136, 4137. Observe the market. This blue line here. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position, but as already market has taken support around this area here, chances of market taking support around 413637 is less, because I have seen hundreds of times, okay, whenever, okay, market bounces, okay, bounces just above the support, it doesn't work. So I think, okay, chances are very less right now that, okay, 413637 will work. But in case it works, as a day trader, you can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? 100 pips. But as I said, okay, there's a high chance it will fail. If it fails, you can look at the second support around 4127. Okay, around 4127, 4128. Okay, we also have another support. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. This is our second support, the second support, and the third support is around 4115. These are the three support levels on the chart of gold, okay, where we can look for a buy position. But I have just mentioned two here because chances of working this one is less. So if it fails, then we can look for support around 412728, 4115. Keep in mind that only buy when you see market is showing price ejection from below, because gold may be overall in uptrend, but right now it is choppy, and when a market is choppy, usually it doesn't respect the levels properly. You will not see precisely working. Maybe it will go for some stop loss hunting and then come up. For example, okay, we just said that we have a support around 4115. Maybe you will see that after okay, after hitting 4110, okay, after hitting 4110, market is coming up again. If it does, then you can look for a buy at 4115. Means after some SL hunting, stop loss hunting, okay, gold is coming up again. So here also same thing, 4127, 4127 today. Suppose you see that after market has formed a big red candle at 4127, then obviously you don't need to buy. But after hitting 4122, if you see the market is coming up again, then at 4127 you can look for a buy position. Means after some stop loss hunting, market is going up again. Okay, liquidity swing. At the top we have this dotted line here. You can see as a day trader, you can observe the market around 416263. If you see market is showing price action from below, so from above, you can look for a sell position. Minor resistance around this dotted line here. The previous resistance will be, support will be working as resistance, and then we have a resistance around 417075. You can see this whole zone is a resistance right now. I think once we may get another selling opportunity around 417075, but later on market should be going above it. By the US session, if you see that gold is bullish, gold is going above 4175, then we can look for a buy at breakout. But right now, in this situation when the market is choppy and trading in a range, we have a chance that day traders may get another opportunity to sell around 4170, 4175. But ultimately, it should go above 4175 because the trend of the market is overall bullish. And day trader scalpers may find some selling opportunity on 4161, 4162, this dotted line here. Okay, keep in mind, market is choppy. As I said, after us hitting some stop losses or after hunting down some stop losses, okay, market may reverse. Then you can enter because this is a market, okay, which is not very easy. Okay, so be careful.